I didn't change the settings, so don't remove me. So whenever you connect two blocks in parallel, the transfer function gets added up. This you have to remember. Please write down. Everyone are writing or simply sitting in the class. Are you writing down or simply sitting in the class? Hello? Kindly respond. Shri Kumar, Shri Krishna Joshi, Mrunalini, Rushi. Everyone are writing down, right? Is my screen visible? Respond. Please write. You have to write and learn. Don't just see. Okay. Rules you have to remember. Without remembering the rules, you can't solve the problem. So only I am stressing it. If you are if you want, you can take the printout of the notes. Very good notes it is. If you study all the 5 modules of this notes, practice the problems, you will get above 50 or 60. More than that. We have put lot of efforts. I need everyone to score like our BSP students. They have attempted more than 70, 80 marks and came. Hmm? Same thing should happen in the CC. All should follow whatever assignment I give. You have only 3 days. Solve it. I'll be teaching you only for the passing package 40, 50, 50, 60 marks. I can't teach for 100 marks in this 3 days. Did you finish writing? Now, whenever I eliminate a feedback loop, what happens? See, what is a feedback? Can anyone tell for which system does the feedback arise? Will it arise for an open loop or a closed loop? I already explained it. For where does feedback exist? For an open loop or a closed loop? Very good, students. Very good, very good. Closed loop is the correct answer. Open loop will not have. All of you should learn the differences between open loop and closed loop. Already I have uploaded in the YouTube channel. 10 marks question they are asking. Examples of control systems, types of control systems, theory and all. If I teach, I can't solve the tough problems. Okay. Please write the differences between open loop, closed loop, types of control systems, examples of control systems, and transfer functions, whatever I have taught, 4, 5 problems, you practice. What is transfer function? Can anyone unmute and tell me? I already explained in yesterday's class. Unmute, be interactive. BSP students, how they were there. Same thing you should be. Anusha, can you unmute and tell what is a transfer function? I need everyone to respond in the class so that I can understand how many are following my notes. Anusha, can you tell what is a transfer function? Laplace transform of output by input. Very good. Not just output by input. It's Laplace transform of output by input. So please, then and there, you learn and go. Next, rearranging the summing points. So whenever there are more than 2 or 3 summing points, this is the formula for eliminating the feedback loop. Whenever you eliminate a feedback loop, depending on the condition, I have to use the formula. I will be teaching you that whenever I go to the problems. Next, rearranging the summing points. This is the formula you have to learn. Like next, the next one, moving a summing point. This rules I have told everyone to write and come for the class. I will not waste the time for this. I will move directly to the problem. Students, this is very important for 10 marks. Please write the question. Rules I told yesterday only in the class to write and come. Those who followed, it's well and good. Here, how many summing points are there? Can anyone tell? Hello? How many feedback loops? How many summing points? Everything, it's very important. Here, how G1 and G4 are connected? Can anyone tell? It's connected in cascade. I told whenever a block is connected in cascade, we have to multiply the transfer function, that is G1 into G4. Did everyone understood? G1 into G4. Hello? Are you able to follow? The first step, whenever the blocks are connected in cascade, I have to multiply it G1 into G4. I need everyone to respond. BSP students were very interactive. I need the same response from you. If you respond, if you ask many questions, I will also be motivated to teach tough problems. If you don't respond, if you don't talk, no, it's waste of time. So G1 and G4 are connected in series. So have to multiply. Now G1, G4 is there. I have to eliminate this feedback loop. Whenever I want to eliminate a feedback loop, I will be using the formula. Which formula? The third formula, I will be using it. What is the formula for it? You refer the notes. To eliminate the feedback loop, I have to multiply G divided by third rule it is. I think it's third rule. See, if you wrote and came the rules, today I would have completed third module and we could have gone to fourth module also. See, like you're not at all following the rules what I told yesterday. So I have to use this formula to eliminate the feedback loop. What is a feedback loop? This is a feedback loop. So I have to use this formula. G of S divided by 1 plus G of S into H of S. Same formula I have to use in the problem. They will give simple problem only. I saw all your papers. It's very easy problems they have asked. But then also you are not solving. The only thing is you are not understanding the concept. You are simply blindly seeing it and doing whatever you want. Okay, like that I don't need when to do my crash course students. You have to do well. So G1, G4 divided by 1 minus G4 into its G divided by 1 minus G into H. This is the formula to eliminate the feedback loop. So here, what is G? It is G1 into G4. So divided by 1 minus GH. What is G? G here, it is G1, G4 into H1. Into H1, this is a formula because it is G divided by 1 minus GH. When I should eliminate the feedback loop, I have to use this formula. This feedback is eliminated. This feedback is not eliminated. Don't eliminate this feedback. Only one feedback you have eliminated. So how G2 and G3 are connected, students? How G2 and G3 are connected? Can anyone respond in the chat box? They are connected in parallel. Very good. All are answering. Like this only I need. Interactive. All 8 students should be interactive. Don't want 100 students to join the course. Only 8 students also very good. All are interactive. So G2 and G3 are connected in parallel. Whenever a parallel is there, you have to add it. Whenever it is connected in series, you have to multiply it. This rule you have to remember. Don't get confused. Okay. write and practice. You have to solve more problems. Okay. So G2 plus G3. So this is 10 marks will come easily if you know all the rules and all the parameters where to apply. 10 marks will come easily, and learn the differences between open loop, closed loop, transfer function and all. Learn in the smart way. Don't do hard work. Signal flow graph is also easy. Next concept is signal flow graph only. Okay. So I will be solving for G2 plus G3. This will get eliminated. This is not a feedback loop, just a summing point. Okay, this will go off. Divided by H2. So these two are in which position, students? Is it in parallel or series? I solved for this two. How, what position these two are? Everyone respond. I don't want idle room. So I have to multiply. So G1, G4 into G2 plus G3 divided by 1 minus G4 H1. Just I have multiplied this and this because they are connected in series, divided by H2. This is block H2. Okay. Now how these two are connected? They are connected in parallel, but there is a feedback loop here. To eliminate the feedback loop, which formula I have to use? G divided by 1 minus GH. What is G here? G is this. What is H? What is H here? I will use a different color. Don't get confused. Do slowly. Don't be in a hurry. No one will give you an Oscar award if you come first. Whichever problem you solved, solve it correctly. So G1, G4 divided into G2 plus G3 divided by 1 minus G4, G1, G4, H1. Whatever is there, I have written here. Hope so everyone is understanding. Divided by 1 plus GH because it is positive. It is positive sign, it's negative sign connected. So I have to take positive here. So 1 plus, if it's negative, use formula as 1 divided by 1 minus G, 1 plus GH. Based on the condition, where whatever assumption you have taken, you use that. Divided by 1 plus GH. What is H here? H2. That I will be writing over here. Transfer function is C of S divided by R of S. Transfer function is C of S divided by R of S. So that you have to obtain. Please, like whenever I am solving, if you have time, write down. I'll not wait to make you write. This is not a normal class 3 months course to make you wait. If I go slowly, no, 1 or 2 modules only I can complete. At least I have to do 4 or 5 modules. Important topics. Okay. So this will be your final answer. G1, G4 divided by G. Take the LCM part and all you are supposed to do. 1 minus G LCM and all of you know to do LCM and all, no. Okay. So LCM part you have to simplify. If I teach LCM and this I will go to we should go to second standard. Okay. All should do the simplification part. Now please try to solve the second problem yourself. I'll be giving you 5 minutes time, 2 minutes time, 5 minutes time. I will be giving you. I've taught the first problem. It's similar way. Very easy than the first problem this is. Solve and solve. Don't see the answer. If you are seeing answer and solving, you are only cheating yourself. Because you have to write the exam without seeing. Will you see and write the exam? Even if I shared the notes, you only solve, analyze how many feedback loops, how many summing points, how G1 and H1 are connected, how G2 and H2 are connected. Analyze, think, put efforts to your brain, students. Solve. 2 minutes, 5 minutes time I will give. I need everyone to solve this problem and post the message in the chat box. Those who are simply sitting and watching like movie, I can't help. Take pen, paper, maintain a separate notebook. I know I don't want anyone to get. I need everyone to score out in third module. No one here should get 15, 14 and all. I don't want. I need 20 out of 20. For that, what and all you have to read, I have already told. You have to read the theory part, open loop, closed loop, difference. The second one, types of control systems. The third part, the third question is transfer function. Fourth, block diagram reduction technique. The last concept is signal flow graph. To read 5 topics, how much time you need? Today only finish it off. I'll finish third module and fourth module also, most of the concepts today only. Today only you write and practice and finish it off. Tomorrow come with networks. Networks, do no one miss the class. Afternoon onwards, I'll be taking. No one miss the network class. I don't want anyone to miss. At least from networks, you have to score minimum 25 out of 40. Here, if you get 25 out of 40 in networks, and if you get 40 in controls, you will be in the safer side. 65 out of 100. Whenever you score like this is your minimum marks required from my crash course. Okay. Okay, did everyone solve the problem? Can anyone post the answer in the chat box? Hello? Still no one are solving. Okay, let me teach this problem. So here, see if there is any feedback loop and all. You should not directly apply series parallel if there is any feedback loop. You have to apply the formula. First solve for the feedback loop. Eliminate the feedback. First step is to eliminate feedback. If there is any feedback loop, you have to eliminate it. That's your first rule. First step, don't directly solve G1 plus H2. That's wrong. You have to eliminate the feedback loop. So to eliminate this loop, what I have to do? I have to do G divided by 1 minus GH. I told whenever it is positive sign they have given, use negative in the formula. So G, what is G here? G1 divided by 1 minus G1 into H1. That's that. Then I will be eliminating the feedback loop. Just I am using annotation so that you can understand. So G1 divided by 1 minus G1 H1. Here G2 and H2. Again there is a feedback loop. I have to eliminate. Are you able to understand, students? Please text. Please text me. Please respond in the chat box. See if there is a feedback loop, don't directly apply series and parallel. You have to eliminate, you have to remove this. That is your first rule. So here there's a feedback rule. Don't directly write G2 plus H2. You will lose complete marks. You will get 0. If there is any feedback loop, please eliminate it. So this here G2 divided by, I told whenever there is a positive sign, you have to use negative. G2 divided by 1 minus G2H2. Like that you have to solve. So this and this block I got. Now there are any feedback loops here, students? In middle of this, are there any feedback loops? Please tell, please respond, all of you. One or two I don't want. Here everyone came in the intention to pass only, right? No one came here to see movie or like how it will be. Everyone need to respond. I am teaching going very slowly, even though the time is less. Because I don't need any of you to lose unnecessarily marks from block diagram detection technique. If you get 10 marks out of 10, it is very much important. Proud of you, not that and all you tell after you write the exam. Now respond in the class. Are there any feedback loops here? Please tell. There are no feedback loops. So very good students. Tilak and all. So there are no feedback loops. I can directly multiply them. So G1 into G2 divided by 1 minus G1 H1. What doubt you have? Oh, very good. Cascade. These are in cascade. Okay. G1 G2 divided by 1 minus G1 H1 into 1 minus G2 H2. Okay. This is finished. Next up. How these are connected? Next, here one feedback loop is there. This I have to remove. Don't directly add it. There is one feedback loop here. You are solving only for this. So no need to apply that feedback formula. Now you want to solve for this both, but you have to eliminate this feedback loop. So I told what is the formula? G1, G2 divided by, what is the formula? G divided by 1. Here what sign is there? Minus sign is there. So I have to use plus here. Okay. GH. What is G? This is G. What is H? This is H. Everyone should work the more problems on transfer function and send me as an assignment in the group. Okay. So this kind of problems you can expect in your examination. Okay. You have to simplify using this formula and you will be getting it. Okay. This LCM part you have to do. If I teach LCM and all, again it will be lower class student. Next, solve students. This is also very easy. I need everyone to post. The third problem will be your assignment. Even if you see and do, you have to, like I will be giving you assignment question. Okay. From this PDF I won't give. Later today you have to solve all and come for tomorrow's network class. Third question is similar. You have to solve. Okay, next we will be solving the fourth problem. Now, remember the rules. So R of S, C. Here, let's see, G2, G3. Okay, this G2, G3 you can solve. How they are connected, students? G2, G3 are connected in series. So they will get multiplied, G2 into G3. Next, you can't directly solve next this H1. Very good. I am getting immense response. But only one Puneet is responding. Others and all not understanding. Rushi, Tilak, where are you all? I need everyone to respond. Because if you respond only, you will remember. When you respond, when you talk, Then only you will remember that concept well. If you sit quietly and see like movie, no sir, I am not understanding. Mrunalini, you're not understanding. What you're not understanding? Can you unmute? What you are not understanding? Please tell me.
So how you are reducing these blocks? I'm not getting it.
See, first you have to see for the negative feedback. Okay. Feedback loop you have to see. If there are any feedback loop, you have to eliminate it. Okay. These are the feedback loops, whichever you are seeing. Okay. Hello, Mrulanini. Sorry, like pronunciation. Hello.
Yes, I got it.
Feedback loop you have to eliminate. Then you have to solve for cascade parallel condition. That's all what I thought still now. Other rules I will be teaching you in the other problems. Okay. Like rejoin the same meeting. Give me 5 to 10 minutes because I need a time to record this video and it should download. Rejoin, like I will be sharing a new ID, or if I like I will post the message. Rejoin. Okay. I need everyone to be perfect with controls. Later on, we will go with networks. Okay, students? Okay. Please rejoin like wait for 10 minutes because this meeting should get download. The recorded video should become means it will take 10 minutes time. By that time, have some coffee, snacks, and join the class. I'll not wait for any other student to, I will not be waiting more time.